If you've ever worried about someone hitting your parked car and driving off, or getting caught in a he said, she said accident, a basic dashcam just isn't enough anymore. Today, we are doing a full review of the Vantrue New N4S 3-channel dashcam. And right off the bat, I want to be completely honest with you. Vantrue is not paying me to make this video. This is a 100% independent review. I'm going to break down exactly what you can expect from this camera, what it does best, and help you answer the big question. Is it good? And more importantly, is it worth it for your car? Let's get into it. Welcome to ShopSmart. Let's talk about coverage. The biggest problem with most cameras is blind spots, but the N4S is a front rear inside dashcam for cars. You are getting complete 360-degree protection. The front camera records in a super crisp 2.7K resolution, while the inside cabin and the rear camera both record in sharp 1440p. Whether you are driving for Uber, Lyft, or just want to protect your family, this front and rear dual-channel plus cabin setup means absolutely nothing gets missed. But here's the truth about dashcams. High resolution means nothing if the camera goes blind at night. This is where this model really surprised me. It features Starvis 2 night vision combined with Vantrue's Plate Pix tech. What does that mean for you? It means the sensors are highly sensitive to light, allowing the camera to capture clear images and actually read license plates, even in extremely dark environments. No blurry night footage. Real quick, if you appreciate straight-to-the-point tech reviews that actually help you choose the right product without the marketing fluff, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. Here at ShopSmart, we do the research so you don't have to, and subscribing is the best way to make sure you never waste money on bad tech. Now, what happens when you park your car and walk away? The N4S includes a 24/7 parking mode with motion and collision sensors that will automatically start recording if anyone bumps your vehicle. And when you need to check that footage, it's incredibly easy. It has built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can download videos directly to your phone in seconds using their app. It also has a built-in GPS to log your exact speed and location, a clear 2-inch IPS screen to check your camera angles, and if you drive a lot, you'll love that it can support 1 terabyte RC18 micro SD cards for massive storage. So the final verdict, is it worth it? If you just want a cheap, basic camera, this might be more than you need. But if you want maximum security, no blind spots, and the peace of mind that you can actually read license plates in the dark, this is arguably one of the best setups you can buy right now. It does exactly what it promises. If this review helped you out and you decide this camera is right for you, I've put a link to it in the description below. If you buy through that link, it earns me a small commission at absolutely zero extra cost to you. It really helps support my work here on YouTube and allows me to keep making these honest reviews for you guys. Check the link below for the current price. Let me know in the comments what you think of this dashcam, and I'll see you in the next video.